It's my privilege this morning to announce that Vauxhall have decided to extend its sponsorship of the Wales national teams until 2018. So that takes us up to the Russia World Cup. We're very, very pleased with the research that we conduct, and it certainly shows that fans in Wales have a higher consideration for our brand.
I think they've pledged the future to us and us to them long term, and that's always a good sign. The partnerships worked very well in the past, and long may that continue. So it's good for us, you know. They believe in what we're doing. It works well for both parties, so we're looking forward to working long term with Vauxhall.
Yeah, we are very happy, and it's extremely exciting times actually being here at Dragon Park. It just sort of says everything that's going on in Welsh football is really exciting. We've been at the squad announcement this morning, and when you look at the squad list, you know, everything about Welsh football says, you know, there's a good future.
You know, not surprisingly, the press conference today dominated by one name, which is Gareth Bale.
I'm sure Gareth wants it settled one way or the other. If he goes, if he doesn't go, you know, the bottom line is he's only 24. He's only going to get better. We'll be guided by Gareth and Tottenham. He's obviously in the squad, but it's not Gareth's fault. It's not players' fault. If clubs are willing to pay that and willing to pay huge transfer fees and huge salaries, it's not the players' fault. That's up to the clubs.
There's that extra bit of Baleism, isn't there, that brings excitement to Welsh football. And yeah, I think whatever happens to Gareth, whether he's playing at Tottenham or whether he ends up in Spain or wherever, he's a Welshman and he's going to be playing for Wales.